Punjab, where a political flashpoint is brewing because the centre's move to bring Chandigarh under Article 240 of the Constitution has triggered a flashpoint in the state of Punjab. So under the proposed 131st Amendment Bill, the President will get the powers to issue direct regulations for Chandigarh, just like other union territories without a legislature. Now, at present, viewers, Chandigarh is a union territory, but it operates under a special arrangement where the Punjab governor also serves as an administrator. Leaders across political spectrums in the state of Punjab, political parties are fearing that this move by the centre will change that very structure and formally shift Chandigarh deeper into direct central control. And that is why the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress Party and the Shiromani Akali Dal are up in arms. So the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab is calling this a direct assault on the rights of Punjab. The Congress Party is linking it to a conspiracy, and the Akali Dal is opposing the move vehemently, saying that this is an attempt to dilute Punjab's historical claim over Chandigarh. These parties are arguing that Chandigarh was built as the capital of Punjab after partition and was only made a shared capital with Haryana after the Punjab Reorganisation Act of 1966. So the Punjab government goes on to say, that is Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister, says that bringing Chandigarh under Article 240 weakens the historical position and also could close the door on any future possibility of Chandigarh being transferred back to Punjab. Now, the centre and leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are saying that there is a coordinated misinformation and fear-mongering campaign that's currently ongoing when it comes to the narrative that is being pushed by the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. Sample the latest.
देखिए, जो मानसिकता है, जो इंटेंशन है बीजेपी रूल्ड सेंटर सरकार की, उसमें तो यही दिख रहा है कि चंडीगढ़ को पूरी तरीके से इंडिपेंडेंट यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाना। लेकिन आपको इसका ऐतिहासिक, मैं आपके दर्शकों को जो इम्पोर्टेंस है और इसका जो इतिहास है वो ये है कि जब देश आज़ाद हुआ तो पंजाब की जो कैपिटल लाहौर थी वो पाकिस्तान को मिल गई और पंजाब के गाँव को उजाड़ के चंडीगढ़ एक शहर बसाया गया था पंजाब की कैपिटल के तौर पर। लेकिन जब रीऑर्गेनाइज हुआ 1966 में पंजाब, तो उस समय एक टेम्परेरी प्रोविजन किया गया कि जब तक हरियाणा अपनी कैपिटल नहीं बना सकता तब तक दोनों स्टेट इसको यूज करेंगे। लेकिन अल्टीमेटली ये कैपिटल पंजाब के हिस्से आएगी क्योंकि पंजाब की ही कैपिटल है।
भगवंत मान का बयान, उनको स्वयं नहीं पता कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं। चंडीगढ़ को यूनियन टेरिटरी घोषित करके केंद्र सरकार के अधीन होने से चंडीगढ़ एक बड़े व्यापारिक और रिहायशी स्थल के रूप में उभरेगा। चंडीगढ़ की बहुत सारी जो योजनाएं अटकी हुई हैं, वो योजनाएं केंद्र सरकार के अधीन आने के बाद पूरी होंगी और निश्चित रूप से भविष्य बताएगा कि चंडीगढ़ देश का एक बेहतर शहर बनेगा। और भगवंत मान जो बात कह रहे हैं वो, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल और उनकी पार्टी के लोग कब्जा करने की राजनीति करते हैं, तो उनके कब्जे से कोई चीज यदि निकलती है तो उनको दुख होगा, मैं समझ सकता हूं।
So the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill is likely to be introduced in the upcoming winter session. But before that, there is a huge pushback coming in. My colleagues Niyamika, Akansha and Manoj are joining us live. Let me go across to Niyamika first up. Niyamika, there is a huge pushback coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. For viewers joining us on this broadcast, explain to us why this amendment is being opposed so vehemently in the state of Punjab.
Well, if we talk about the opposition's concerns, they are basically stating that this entire move which is being taken by the government of India, that is an attack upon the federal structure of this country. It is against the constitution, is what is being claimed by the opposition parties. Whether it is Aam Aadmi Party, Congress or Akali Dal, they are basically stating that Chandigarh is basically, it is the Punjab government which has the right over Chandigarh, and this is basically to snatch away the rights of Punjab as the manner in which this entire bill is being proposed by the central government to bring in amendment and to bring in Chandigarh under Article 240 of Constitution. As for that reason, we have also seen that how Akali Dal is also stating that that they are also going to call an emergency meeting to discuss over this entire matter. On the other side, the Party has urged the Punjab government led by Bhagwant Mann to take up this matter to the President of India and to make sure that a protest will be organized in the national capital before the Parliament session begins, because the manner in which these voices are coming in on the part of the opposition parties, they are basically stating that it is the habit of the BJP to snatch away the rights of the opposition-led state governments, and for that reason they are not even ready to consult the people of Punjab before making any such kind of a decision. But on the other side, the manner in which this proposed bill is basically stating that an independent administrator will be appointed for Chandigarh, as that is what they are trying to do after bringing in under Article 240 of the Constitution.
Right. Let me go across to Akansha. Akansha, you're also tracking reactions that politicians are putting out on social media platform X. What's the latest?
Do you see strong reaction has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party and Shiromani Akali Dal? They've called this a conspiracy hatched by the central government. The first reaction is from Bhagwant Mann, who's the Chief Minister of Punjab. He said, we strongly oppose in the strongest terms the proposed constitutional bill being brought by the central government. He goes on to say that this amendment is against the interests of Punjab. We will not allow the conspiracy being hatched by the central government against Punjab to succeed in any way. Chandigarh, which was built by raising our Punjab's village, belongs solely to Punjab. We will not let our rights slip away just like that, and for this we will take whatever steps are necessary. At last he says this amendment is against the interest of Punjab. We will not allow the conspiracy that is hatched by the central government against Punjab to succeed. But most importantly, he has mentioned here that that Chandigarh belongs solely to Punjab. Let's have a look at the reaction coming in from Shiromani Akali Dal. Sukhbir Singh Badal has said to plan and formulate a strong and decisive response against the Punjab Constitution Bill, which aims to demolish the Punjab's rightful claim over Chandigarh. I have called an emergency meeting of the core committee of the party at 2 o'clock tomorrow, that is on Monday, at the party headquarters in Chandigarh. I assure the people of Punjab that this anti-Punjab bill and the blatant attack on the federal structure will be fought on every front by Akali Dal, and this move of the central government will not be allowed to succeed. So Shiromani Akali Dal is calling this an anti-Punjab bill, while on the other hand the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that this is against the interest of the people of Punjab and that Chandigarh belongs solely to the people of Punjab. And this is a strong reaction that is coming from the ruling dispensation in Punjab Aam Aadmi Party and also Shiromani Akali Dal.
So there is a pushback on the centre's Chandigarh plan. The Congress party is warning of serious implications. Manoj, aap bane rahiye hamare saath. Let's listen into what the Congress party has said and then I'll go across to Manoj.
कांग्रेस भी, अकाली दल भी, आम आदमी पार्टी भी, पंजाब की जनता भी वो नहीं चाहते कि चंडीगढ़ उनसे छीना जाए और एक तरह से पंजाब का हिस्सा है और जो पावर दिया जाएगा राष्ट्रपति को तो एक तरह से केंद्र सरकार के द्वारा जो वर्तमान में मोदी सरकार है उसकी ही शासन होगा। तो जो चंडीगढ़ का स्टेटस है वो खत्म किया जाएगा और राष्ट्रपति का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो केंद्र सरकार कहेगी वही रूल्स रेगुलेशन और कानून लागू होंगे तो पंजाब से हट जाएगा और इसलिए विरोध हो रहा है और इसका विरोध होना चाहिए।
मनोज, ये आर्टिकल 240 के अंडर जो चंडीगढ़ को लाने का जो मूव और या जो प्रपोजल है जो विंटर सेशन में सेंटर इज प्लानिंग टू ब्रिंग, इसके ऊपर वी आर सीइंग अ ह्यूज पॉलिटिकल अप्रोच पंजाब में। अब आम आदमी पार्टी, कांग्रेस और शिरोमणि अकाली दल की आगे की रणनीति क्या होने वाली है?
देखिए, ये जो पूरा मुद्दा है दरअसल पंजाब के सेंटिमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ है और जो ये अमेंडमेंट बिल आने वाला है इसको लेकर कोई भी दल हो पंजाब का, सबने ये कहा है कि इसका विरोध किया जाएगा। अभी कुछ देर पहले पंजाब बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष सुनील जाखड़ ने भी कहा है कि पंजाब बीजेपी पंजाब के साथ खड़ी है, चाहे वो चंडीगढ़ राजधानी का मामला हो या पंजाब के पानी का मामला हो। हालांकि उन्होंने कहा है कि जो कंफ्यूजन पैदा हुई है इसको हम केंद्र सरकार से बातचीत करके दूर करेंगे, ये बात बीजेपी की तरफ से कही गई है। लेकिन एक बात तय है कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बनने वाला, अगर ये अमेंडमेंट बिल आता है पार्लियामेंट में तो पंजाब के जितने भी सियासी दल हैं वो सड़कों पर नजर आएंगे और कल अकाली दल ने कोर कमेटी की इमरजेंसी बैठक बुलाई है। आम आदमी पार्टी भी लगातार इसका विरोध कर रही है, कांग्रेस के नेता भी विरोध कर रहे हैं। तो इस पर जो सियासी बवाल है वो मचना शुरू हो गया है। और कहीं ना कहीं चंडीगढ़ को देखिए, अगर बात करें तो फिलहाल जो पंजाब के गवर्नर हैं वो इसके एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होते हैं, यानी कि सीधा कंट्रोल उनके हाथ में होता है। और अब जो नया अमेंडमेंट आएगा तो उससे एलजी की नियुक्ति का जो रास्ता है वो साफ हो जाएगा। हालांकि अभी भी चाहे किसी भी तरीके से आते हैं, चंडीगढ़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पर जो नियंत्रण है वो केंद्र सरकार का ही है, लेकिन बस केंद्र सरकार इसके अमेंडमेंट बिल के माध्यम से एलजी नियुक्त करने का जो रास्ता है वो साफ कर रही है। जी।
All right, so there is a flashpoint over the proposed amendment bill, and also there are parties like the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress, and the Shiromani Akali Dal who are saying that this move by the centre to appoint an LG will weaken Punjab's control over Chandigarh. We are going to keep a close watch on that story. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short commercial